it's okay. Mama's here.
Do earthquakes shriek?
Those guys were extinct.
Well, then that is one angry fossil. Sid!
Come on, inside.
Nobody move a muscle.
Don't cry. We are poor little lambs who have lost our way. Ba, ba.
Sid! Give them to her! She's their mother!
How do I know she's their mother?
What do you want, a birth certificate? She's a dinosaur!
Well, I put in the blood, sweat, and tears to raise them.
For a day! Give them back, you lunatic!
Look, these are my kids. And you're gonna have to go through me to get them.